What up, man? All right, let's say, right, you was riding down the street, you on a highway, you, or whatever, so, and you start, out of nowhere, your car started, like, the steering wheel started tweaking, like, started shaking everywhere. You, oh, like, this is not normal. So I'm about to give you the help so you won't do like this. And I got you. Welcome to the video. Let's get it. Look, I can move my hand. See, and it got a rip right here. I don't know if you can see it, but I'll put a picture to show you, but I think that's what it is. So I think it's this tie rod. Let's go check the other one. So let's see if we get any play from this one. Yep. Okay, so I ain't sure this, but a rule of thumb and how you can make sure, like, the difference between your inner and your outer tie rod. Like, if you want to check your inner tie rod, what you're gonna do is try to move it. Like, make sure you got some resistance. It's like you can move it, but it's resistance and you don't hear no clicking noise. I don't hear no clicking noise. Now, the way you can tell from your outer, it's too easy to move. See, I'm just moving it with my thumb. Alright, so it's loosen. It's loosen. Push this up, take this out. Okay, so now you just ready to take it off. So you want to put it back to where you got it from, right? Essentially. So this is up. So, and you're gonna need an alignment after this, but just gonna help your alignment stay close to possible. Remember how many turns you turned it off so you can put it back just the same way. $20. So a rule of thumb, like I said, remember what it all. It's 20, right? And you can do these so many different ways, but this is what made it easier for me and my new one. So, as you can see, they both line up the same. They both look alike. This one, so you see how this one, it has play in it. Like, I can move it. Like, you should not be able to move it like that. Look, you can hear it. You see the gunk coming out of it? Now watch this one. It's more tougher, like it's more rougher. So there you go. So remember, we did 20. Yep. Yo, man, I ain't even recorded. So anyway, so once you do your 20 turns, because whatever it takes, how many times you take it to twist off, that's how many times you should twist it on. Never mess with this nut. All you gotta do is mess with this. So once you put it back on, see, it's not that hard to move it. So therefore, and then you put your cotter pin in and bend it like that, or whatever the case may be. And this outer tie rod bolt is only down to 36 foot-pounds. I got my torque wrench. I torqued it down to 36 foot-pounds. It's a click type. After that, then you put your cotter pin in, and then you do the same thing for the passenger side. So I'm gonna knock the passenger side out, and I'm gonna be right back. So now it's time for the rear stabilizer links. So this one, right, it's different than what the other one was. I'm gonna show you. So you have these, which are you gotta use an alley key, a 5. That's a 5 alley key, and then the top is a 14. Oh man. I'm calling, let them know, hey, my license is calling into the front. The next one I'm going So this is a bad joint. I'm moving one finger. Like, that's a no-no. What baby you at? I'm gonna call the insurance inspector right now. See, like, I can move this with one hand. That's a no play. But this one is a little bit hard, but still, I can move with one hand. Now, let's test this one. This is the new one. You can see the difference. Like this one even got a hole in it. Like if it got a hole in it, if the boot got a hole in it, you can save the boot if it don't get too bad. But I'm replacing the whole thing, and you can tell that's an old one. That's a new one. So it's a little bit more beefy right now. So I'm about to go ahead and get under and show you how to do it. Put the 17 back on. There we go.